Crafting sugar snow, a sweet tutorial. Pour some sugar into a bowl. Add a little bit of water, but not too much. Mix the sugar and water together, and the result will be sugar snow. If the sugar snow feels too wet, simply sprinkle in a bit more sugar. Conversely, if it's too dry, a touch more water should do the trick. Sugar snow is great for that magical touch that elevates every creation. We used it to add a sprinkle of sweetness to our traditional Bulgarian kozunak. Get creative and let your imagination run wild with this versatile sweet treat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious DIY ideas.